Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. So today I would like to share with you how we can add attendance function in Putrablast. Okay, first of all, you have to go to your Putrablast and then you go to your subject. For example, this is my subject. Okay, and then in the menu, okay, as usual, you have to turn on the editing and then you go to the add and activities, okay, and you go to the attendance here, okay, and you click add, and then you can write some information here. For example, I write attendance for Amali week 2. I put a date, and this is for my own record. You can write anything you like, and then you click save, and you have to add sessions. Okay, for example here, for this date, okay, my class it should be on 27 October, okay, from 8 in the morning to 11. Okay, so I create a session so that the students should be take their attendance during this period. Okay, so I just click. This is for student record, and then I think that's all. Yep. Okay, once you add, okay, you can still check, okay, on the attendance here. Okay, so I will show you my example that I did in my class, okay, for my different subject. I think here, okay, see, this is that I did for week 1. You can see, and you can actually export, okay, and then you can download in Excel and you can click OK. So you can open up your Excel sheet, okay, and you can see the attendance, okay, for your class, and this is the P, meaning that the student is actually participant with the class, okay. I think L is indicator is late, if I'm not mistaken, but the most important is here, okay. P meaning that is actually join the class, okay. Who didn't tick here, meaning that they are not actually click to the attendance activities, so meaning that they are not actually join the class, because I always mention in my class for the attendance, okay, please make sure when I did my online class using Google Meet, and I always remind them to go to the attendance so I can save as my file and update in the SMP, and also this is for my own record for the ISO file. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understand, and please try and see how it is going. Okay, bye. Thank you.